by using convex lens. The convex lens makes the image on the retina, to focus on the retina. Yes, we have learnt about functioning of the eye and function of eye. Here we are seeing blue color structure. It is called as iris. Iris regulates the diameter of the pupil and also gives the eye its color. Iris regulates the diameter of the pupil, and because of the presence of iris, the eye get color. In the center we are seeing pupil. Opening in the center of the iris that lets light into the interior of the eye. And dilated pupil, constricted pupil. The iris work in conjunction with the pupil to control how much light enters the eye is called as dilated pupil, and the iris has tiny muscles which enable it to dilate and constrict the pupil to allow more or less light into the eye is called as constricted pupil. Yes. Do you know, Tswreis, how our eye protected? Yes, each eye is protected by eyelids, eyebrows and eyelashes. What they do? They protect our eye from external environment, and the vitreous chamber which is present in our eye protect our eye from mechanical shocks. And here one duct is present. What is it? As lacrimal duct. When we are happy and when we are sad, we get tears from this lacrimal duct. The unwanted substances which is present in our eye come out through lacrimal duct in the form of tears. And the cornea which is present in the eye protect our eye from exposure of light. Each eye is protected like this. And now I am going to say about eye illusion. Do you know what is the meaning of illusion? Yes, illusion comes from Latin word which is misleading image presented to the vision. Illusion means misleading image presented to the vision. Eye illusion. Eye illusion means misleading image presented to the vision. Or something that deceives from misleads. Something that deceives the eye by appearing to be other than it is. Now I am doing one activity, so please observe. I had taken one paper and I draw butterfly one side of the paper and I draw flower another side of the paper. We are seeing two images. We are seeing two images. When I move this object fastly, you can see only one image. The butterfly falls on the flower. We are experiencing an eye illusion. The information from the retina to the brain takes 1/8 seconds. As a result, the image becomes single. Here we are experiencing an eye illusion, and this is also one type of eye illusion. What we are seeing here? As we are seeing white and black grids, and in the center we are seeing black spots. But when we examine it, the black spots will vanish. Here also we are experiencing an eye illusion. Here the squares are arranged in a circle. Here also we are experiencing an eye illusion. What you are seeing here, Tswreis? Yes, you are seeing snakes. Are they moving? Yes, they are moving. But actually they are not moving. We are experiencing that they are moving. We are experiencing an eye illusion. And eye diseases. What are the diseases that cause to our eye? Yes, so many diseases that cause to our eye. Now I am saying some of the diseases. Short sight. Here we can see short sight. Short sight means nothing but it is also called as hyperopia. And this short sight is easy to see nearby objects and it is difficult to see faraway objects. In this short sight, it is easy to see nearby objects and it is difficult to see faraway objects. Why? Because the lens makes the image to fall in front of the retina. The lens makes the image to fall in front of the retina. So, it is easy to see nearby objects and it is difficult to see faraway objects. Causes of short sight. The eyeball is too long. The lens lacks the ability to accommodate for a distant object. And long sight. Long sight it also called as hypermetropia, and in this long sightedness it is easy to see faraway objects but it is difficult to see nearby objects. Why? Because the lens makes the image to focus backside of the retina. The lens makes the image to focus backside of the retina. So, it is difficult to see nearby objects. Causes of long sight. The eyeball is too short and the lens lacks the ability to accommodate for a near object. And the short sight is corrected by using concave lens and long sight is corrected by using convex lens. And conjunctivitis. Here we are seeing conjunctivitis disease. It is a red or pink color eye toward eye. It is an infection or swelling that caused to the conjunctiva. Infection or swelling that caused to the conjunctiva. It is called as conjunctivitis. And cataract. This cataract is a dense cloudy area that forms slowly on the lens. And it is common to older people. But nowadays it is also common to the people. Why? Because medication or radiation. And glaucoma. It refers to a number of diseases that cause to our optic nerve and it is also cause to vision loss. Actually, this glaucoma is because of high pressure that is present inside the eye. These are the eye diseases that are present in our eye. So, we should protect our eye from all these eye diseases. Okay? We should protect from all these diseases. Taking care of eye. How to take care of our eye? Now, I will say you some things. They are: wash your eyes with fresh water and cool water at least 3 or 2 times per day, and keep long distance from your eye. Keep distance from your eye and book about 25 centimeters while reading. Don't rub your eye when unwanted substances present in your eye. Just wash it immediately. And don't give continuous stress and strain to the eye. And protect our eye by eating food materials. By eating the food materials which contain vitamin A, protein. Here we can see the food materials that contain vitamin A: carrots, papaya, meat, eggs and cheese, sweet potato, peppers, avocado, mangoes, melon, peaches, apricots, broccoli, fish and squash. These are the food materials that contain vitamin A. We should eat them. Here also we can see the food materials that contain vitamin A. They are papaya, squash, sunflower oil, eggs and cheese, melon, avocado, capsicum, sweet potato, milk, apricots, and these are the vitamin A food materials. We should eat them. Then only we can get good sight. And here we are seeing the internal structure of the eye. This is the internal structure of the eye. Here it is. We are seeing eyeball, and in the center iris are present. Actually it is a goat eye. I can't bring a human eye, so I bring a goat eye for you. It is the internal structure of the eye. So So Tswreis, eye is a very important thing in our life. We should protect our eye by eating all these vitamin A food materials. Okay. So Tswreis, eye is very important thing in our life. So the government, our society is providing every food material to us. We should eat them. From now onwards, you learnt about external structure of the eye, internal structure of the eye, functioning of the eye. You all know what is about eye. So we should protect our eye. Eye is a God gift to us. We should protect our eye by eating all these food materials. Our society is providing. Early morning, our society is providing a glass of milk to us. We should drink them. And in the lunch, our society is providing egg. Egg is a very important thing to our eye to give a good sight. So we should eat egg. And in the evening, our society is providing snacks. We should eat them. And banana, our society is also providing banana. All these things we should eat them. So then only we get good sight. Okay, Tswreis. Now we recall what we have learned today. Now we recall what we have learned today. How many sense organs are present in our eye? Yes, 5 sense organs are present in our eye. They are eye, ears, tongue, skin and smell. Nose. These are the 5 sense organs that are present in our eye. They help in sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. History of the eye. Aristotle have mentioned about these 5 sense organs, and Albertus Magnus, he mentioned the nerve for the first time in sensing of touch. And Johannes Kepler, he was a scientist who mentioned eye as a sense organ. And external structure of the eye. Here we can see eyebrows, eyelids and eyelashes. Why they are present in our eye? Why? Because they protect our eye from dust, microorganisms and sunlight. Here we can see the eyebrows, upper eyelid, lower eyelid and white color structure, it is called as sclera. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Pharaoh, what is your name?
My name is B.Anusha.
Okay, what is your question, Pharaoh?
Why do our image falls on upside and downside of the retina?
Yes, the lens makes the image upside down. Here we are seeing the lens. This lens makes the image upside down. So, the lens makes the image to focus on the retina. The image which is focused on the retina is upside down. Is it clear, Pharaoh?
Why?
Why? Because the lens... Hello, Pharaoh?
Explain once more, sir, please.
Okay, I will explain in this chart. Functioning of the eye. Here, the lens makes the image upside down, and this lens makes the image to focus on the retina. So, the image which is focused on the retina is upside down. Is it clear, Pharaoh?
But why it is falls upside and down? Why it does not fall directly on the retina?
Why? Because the lens makes the image upside down, which is present in our eye. Here we are seeing biconvex lens. It is also one type of lens which is present in our eye. When we see the image through this biconvex lens, the image is upside down. The lens makes the image upside down, and this lens makes the image to focus on the retina. So the image which is focused on the retina is upside down. Is it clear, Sparrow?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Hello? Hello, Sparrow?
Hello, Sparrow.
What is your name? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, what is your name, Sparrow?
I am Sandhya Sparrow from Gaulidati School.
Okay, what is your question?
For our eyesight, we use specs.
Yes.
Instead of specs, whether there is any alternate.
Yes, why not? If we eat the food materials which contain vitamin A, we can clear our sight. When we eat the food materials which contain vitamin A, then it gives us good sight. Okay, is it clear, Sparrow?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, here we are seeing external structure of the eye. The external structure of the eye which we are seeing is small in size, but the larger part of the size is seen in eye socket of the skull. And these are internal structure of the eye. These are two eyeballs without any eyelashes and eyebrows. Here we are seeing in the center iris. Hello? These are iris, and in the center we are seeing pupil, and here we are blood vessels are present in the eyeball. Internal structure of the eye. How many layers are present in the internal structure of the eye? Yes, three main layers. They are sclera, choroid layer and retina. How many layers? Three main layers. They are sclera, choroid layer and retina. And here we can see these sclera layer bulge and form cornea in front of the eye, and the end of this sclerotic layer connect with optic nerve. The second layer is choroid layer. What is the second layer? Choroid layer. These choroid layer produce iris. These choroid layer produce iris. When it produces iris, it leaves some space called pupil, and behind the pupil the lens are present. And the third layer is retina. Retina is made up of two cells, rod cells and cone cells. Hello, Sparrow?
Hello. Hello, Sparrow. My name is Sanya from Marikonda.
Okay, what is your question, Sparrow?
What precautions we should take to reduce short sight?
Yes. I have said that when we eat the food materials which contain vitamin A, then it can be corrected. By using concave lens, it is also corrected. Is it clear, Sparrow?
Thank you, Sparrow.
Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Sparrow, what is your question?
I am Sandhya Sparrow from Gaulidati School.
Okay.
Vitamin A is old one now.
What?
Whether there is anything instead of specs, alternate solution.
As by eating vitamin A protein, the food materials which contain vitamin A.
Before I asked, no, for our eyesight we use specs now.
Yes.
Instead of specs, whether there is any alternate solution.
Yes, I had said na.
Vitamin A is old one.
What?
Can you give another?
As we should protect our eye by using them clearly. When you use the concave lens, then first of all when we use it, please wash your hands and don't give stress and strain to the eye, and leave the distance from your book and eye about 25 centimeters while reading, and these are the precautions that we should protect our eye. Is it clear, Swero? Hello?
Hi, this is Bonus Pharaoh.
Okay, Swero, what is your question?
What is the functions of pupil? What is the functions of pupil?
Yes, it is a good question, Swero. The pupil enlarge and shrinks like an aperture of a camera that the amount of light changes. The pupil enlarge and shrinks like an aperture of a camera as the amount of light changes. Is it clear, Swero?
Clear.
Okay, thank you. Yes, eye is very important thing in our life. We should protect our eye by I am saying that precautions. So we should eat the food materials which contain vitamin A. Eye is a God gift to us. Because of the help of the eye, we are seeing the wonderful world. We are seeing our friends, we are seeing our teachers in our hostels. We are seeing all the things with the help of eye. So eye is very important thing in our life. We should protect our eye. So from onwards, I don't know what you do for your eye, but now onwards you should eat the food materials which are provided by our society. Please don't waste them. They are very valuable to our eye. So please eat the food materials which is provided by our society. Our society is providing all the things to us. So we should eat them and don't waste them. Okay. So Sakis, eye is very important thing to our life. We should protect our eye. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me. Thank you to our secretary sir and thank you to my principal madam and thanks to my biology madam. Thank you one and all.